Let's set up your Starling bassinet. First, on a flat, clean surface, turn your bassinet upside down and identify the 4 leg openings. While pressing in the pin, insert the wood leg with electrical plug into the ribbed opening until the pin clicks into position. Pull on the leg to make sure it's locked in place. Repeat with the other 3 legs, pulling on each to make sure they're locked in place. Please note, these 3 legs are interchangeable. Once all 4 legs are in place, turn the bassinet right side up. To assemble the bassinet basket, lift the rim up with both hands. While holding the rim with one hand, pull one tab towards the end of the bassinet until the bar enters the slot. Repeat with the other tab. To secure the mesh sides, snap the bottom of the mesh to the base on each side of the bassinet. Place the mattress pad with cover into the bassinet. Next, insert the plug into the port on the leg and plug the power adapter into a nearby wall outlet. When not in use, wrap up the cord and store it in a secure place away from the bassinet.